Hi everyone. The iPad is a tool that can enhance any learning experience. Knowing how to integrate the iPad is key to ensuring students get the best out of the device. In this video and the next, we will look at how students can utilise some of the functionality of the iPad. We will look at the reader tool in Safari, the voice recognition tool in the accessibility features. We will look at how you can create a screenshot of a whole web page and then annotate it freely as a PDF. We will look at how you can use Keynote to gather your learning and produce an effective presentation that can show off the learning that you have achieved. Please click the subscribe button so you can be aware of other videos that I produce for technology in teaching and learning. And leave any comments of ways you may have used some of these ideas in the classroom. So, let's jump in. So go to Settings and then scroll down to Accessibility. In Accessibility, I want you to choose Spoken Content. And I want you to make sure that Speak Selection and Speak Screen are both on. You can then go down to Voices and you can choose your preferred voice. So we need to go into English and then we need to choose the one that we want. At the moment, you can see by default, I've got Karen on from as an Australian accent. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to download Kate. And once Kate is downloaded, I can click Kate. I can listen to her.
Hello, my name is Kate.
And then what I can do is select her. I'm going to choose the enhanced. It has a much more realistic sound. And then we're going to go back to voices, spoken content. And now we can just press the home button. And now we're ready to start our project. So now what we need to do is go and research our subject. So we're going to use Safari. So I'm going to tap on Safari and I'm going to research my subject. Now the subject that I'm going to research for the purpose of this, but it might be anything that you're doing, is the Vikings. So I'm going to search the Vikings and then I need to find the best website for that. So I'm going to scroll down and the one that I'm going to use is Live Science here. So I'm going to click on that. And we don't want any of these adverts because this can be very distracting when you're reading something on a web page. So what you're going to do is tap on the AA in the omnibar and then you're going to do Show Reader View. Now what that will do, it will take your website and it will get rid of all of the junk on the screen. And as you can see here, this is my website, but it gives it in a much better look. What I'm going to do now is take a screenshot of this and save it so we can start annotating it. Now to take a screenshot, you need to press the off button and the home button at the same time. There we go, there's our screenshot. Now I can open the screenshot and if I just leave it as it is, it's going to take a screenshot of the screen that we were on. But I want the whole thing. So I can now select full page. And on my right here, I can scroll down and I can see it's taken a screenshot of the full page. Now we're going to save that. So I'm going to click done and I'm going to save it to my files. So I'm going to click on Save to Files. That's going to save. I can either save it in the cloud or I can save it on my iPad or OneDrive or Google Drive, whichever ones you've got there. I'm just going to save it on my iPad for now because it's something that I just want to use on my iPad. And then I could put it into a folder, but I'm just going to save it where it is. Leave the name as it is. Now that web page is saved as a PDF. Let's go and open that document now. So press the home button. Put my finger on the screen and scroll down and now we can search for our Files app. There it is. So let's open our Files app. Let's look on my iPad and there you can see is my PDF. So let's click on this and that's opened up my PDF. Now I can tap the pen at the top and now I get my tools. Now, if I want to scroll down on my document, I now need to use 2 fingers to scroll down. If I use 1 finger, it's going to draw. Okay, we don't want that, so let's undo. So I need to use 2 fingers to scroll down. So I'm just going to put it ready there, and I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to be ready for the iPad to read this back to me. So as it's reading it back to me, I can follow along as a student, and what I want to do is highlight the key words that I can then use and create sentences with. So to read it back, you swipe down on 2 fingers.
Viking history.
Let's pause that. It's going to read that back now. Okay, so now what I can do is press the play button. As it's playing back, what I can do is highlight with the yellow highlighter the different key words. So let's play that back.
Facts and Myths by Ryan Goodrich, Live Science contributor, the 29th of August.
Now what it's doing, it's actually reading back everything on the document. If I want specific things to be read back, I can choose the finger and then choose the paragraph that I want read back. One other thing is I can speed this up if I want to, and then I can read it back at double the speed.
Seafaring people from the late 8th to early 11th century.
So as it's reading, I can start highlighting these key words. So let's play.
A Viking raid on the monks of Lindisfarne, a small island located off the northeast coast of England, marked the start of the Viking migration from Scandinavia in 793. This location was a well-known abbey of learning.
So what I'm doing there is I'm highlighting keywords as it's being read back to me. Okay, so let's close that. Now we've got our PDF with our highlighted content. We can click done. That's our first stage of producing a presentation about the Vikings. Thanks for watching this video. In the second video, we will continue with this on how you can use Keynote to create a really effective presentation using the work that you've done so far. Click the link in the corner of this video now to jump straight to it. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and please subscribe to this channel for more educational technology videos. Until next time, goodbye.